In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a PPT presentation or PowerPoint presentation into a video using Canva. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we need to locate our PPT presentation. In this case, it's this one right here. So we click on the slideshow and we have this presentation, right? So we have our presentation right here. And after that, we log into your Canva account and hopefully you can use it in the free version as well. So I just quickly sign in with my Google account. And to upload the PowerPoint presentation, all you need to do is just open it up. And if you're on the home screen, you just drag and drop it on the home screen and this will copy it right away in the recents. As you can see, it's copying it right now. After that, either you can click on home to find it and you will find it in the recent designs, or you can click on project and find it in your recent designs. So here it is. And now we can click inside it to open that up in Canva. And as you can see, it's right now a presentation. So if you want to turn it into a video, we need to click on the share button on the top right hand corner. And then we head over to download it. And we will download it as an MP4 video. So the file type, we will change it here. You click on MP4 and select all the pages. Yes, that's true. We need to keep it 1080p. Click on download and it will then convert the complete presentation into an MP4 video. And finally, the download has started after conversion. It might take some time depending on the size of the presentation. So let's open the file now. And as you can see, our presentation is converted into a video. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.